So let's say we are trying to power a multi-block clicker. What this does is it will automatically craft these for us. So we're mass producing grandma's walking sticks. So let's connect this up. Right click this and it doesn't come on. Now why is that? Well, we've got 20 to 100 operating power. Okay, we've got that. And we've also got operating frequency 2 plus. So the reason this isn't working is because we don't have enough frequency. Now, how can we increase the frequency? Well, if you look in the frequency and phase section in the guide, there's lots of stuff here for increasing the frequency of array. So to get to 2 Hz, we're just going to need a repeat of 1. And you can see that this increases the frequency by 2 up to a maximum of 5 Hz. So if we place one of these down and connect this up, we can see that has 2 Hz of frequency. So now we should meet the requirements. So if we right click that, this starts working. Yay.